Roll over on Spine Corrector. So your client is gonna sit on the seat. You're gonna start to bring your hands to the outsides of the wooden panels. Tuck the pelvis under, start to roll down. Guiding down, you're gonna push from your feet, start to slide back so your head finds the mat. Shimmy all the way back, bring your feet to the seat to help you push back a little bit more. You want your shoulders onto the mat, finding that length. Awesome. From here, knit the ribs together. Feel your belly in. Start to bring your legs one at a time to tabletop. You already can see Neil's ribs connecting into the arc. From here, you're going to reach your legs out to a 45-degree lean. Inhale. Exhale. Reach your toes up and overhead into rollover. Finding that reach. Separate the legs hip distance apart. From here, pull the belly in. Start to roll back down into the arc. Finding that connection, circling the legs out and around, adducting them back together, back up and overhead, rolling over, spinal articulation, toes can go toward the mat, not compressing through the neck, hip distance apart, start to roll back down into the mat. Feeling the belly connect, circling the legs, adducting them together to that 45-degree. Last one, Neil, you've got it. Reaching it up and over, not compressing the cervical spine, hip distance apart, peeling through the belly, pulling those ribs, cinching, not letting your neck compress as you find that length through your legs. Last one, bringing your legs out to that 45. Let's hold it there for the dismount. From here, you're gonna bend your knees to tabletop, finding the arc barrel where your seat is, and then you're going to shimmy your feet, pushing your hands and feet to shimmy your spine down and away from the arc to dismount with safety. Protect your spine. Roll to your side, push your hands, sit up all the way up top, finding a safe dismount.